drugs. They be betting all us calling plays out the books. Little bit of prayer, hard work, that's all it took. All I want, W's and bankrolls, that's all I want. All I want, that's all I want. W's and bankrolls, that's all I want. Hey, all I want is money, power, respect, though.
Hey girl, mic check 1 2 1 2. It's me. Okay, so this is Outre's perfect hairline. Wig is Keeshon 22 HD lace. The color is DRS 4 Ginger Spice. Okay. I am going to be tinting my lace with the even spray, and then I'm going to take out the elastic bands because baby, my head is too big. Okay, too big. Now I plop the wig on my head, okay, girl, and make sure all the hair is in. And girl, baby, will you marry me? Do you see me? I didn't even do anything. So now I'm just basically gonna be playing with the wig, checking if I want to do a deep part. A lot of times I don't leave it ear to ear. I will move the tab all the way down, like move the lace all the way in the corner, so it could be a deep lace deep part. So right now I'm putting the hair in a ponytail. It's not gonna stay like that, just to see how the hairline looks. I do that a lot. I'm very big with the hairline. I kind of wish I plucked it a little bit more, but the hairline is nice, you know, for the lazy girls who's not into it. It's a cute, you know, you can play it off. Calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't. So now I'm gonna be cutting the lace. Okay, I'm trying to be like the girlies and do the 3-part cut lace thing. trying, okay? Back, it's like, oh my, all bad all day, but the night. Look at me, zigzag motion. Look at me being one of the girlies. I usually just cut it off my mannequin head, but girl, I was trying. And I'd be kind of scared to cut it on my hair because I told you my real hair is everything to me. But I think I did good. I'd rather be on that wave. Okay, now I'm doing a part. Now, most likely the part's probably not going to stay. I do this a lot. Everybody know I'm a side part girl. I'm going to be trying to do middle parts a little bit more. Now, girl, I took the Gots2b glue. The Gots2b spray. I haven't used this in a minute. I said, girl, I haven't used this in a minute. Let me do it again. Oh, Jesus. It's going back. It's going in the garbage. That thing was dripping and slipping and sliding like it would not let me be great. Like, I said, girl, go get your bed head, go get your even, go get whatever else. You gotta retire it, okay? Blow dry it, make sure the product was tacky. And I forgot how long it does take for me to make this tacky, so this did take me a little while. Now I'm sticking it, okay? Well, do you see the hairline, girl? I just kind of wish I plucked it a little bit more, but that's the perfectionist in me. Okay, now I'm tucking in my real hair so nobody can clock me and be like, oh, is that a wig? Even though you know it's a wig, but don't ask me. All right, so now I'm just basically, the air tabs didn't stick. I'm going to use a little bit more of that spray to, you know, lay it down. Okay, lay it down. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal? Do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. And then I take the edge of my, the comb thing and the edge, or whatever they call it, and I'm just making sure that I just go up and down motion just so I can make sure that you can't clock me. And I use the blow dryer just to, make sure it's secure. Now I'm going to do this part. I don't know. I always do this. And I just wanted to really show you what I really do. I do this part just to make sure, like, do I want a part? Do I want to flip over? Do I want a middle part? Do I want this? But the part was like, I always do a side part. Told you so extra. Looking to see if it's really like tacked down. If it's really like, can you clock me? Can you come up to me and be like, girl, your hair ain't laid, So girl, I was feeling myself. Okay, so I took the scarf, wrapped it up. I did fix it off camera because like what you doing, sis? And then I did blow dry it off camera to make sure that my lace is like seamless. Okay, that you can't be in my business. Now I'm just combing it out. Look at it. My baby, will you marry me? Okay, this wig, it comes with 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, adjustable straps, yada yada yada. You know what I'm saying? The only thing I kind of wish that it was a little bit thicker, but it was a pretty wig. The only thing about mine was the tracks was coming out, so I don't know if mine just was defective, but girl, run it through, you know. And then I just took the hot comb. Girl, I didn't need no hot comb, child, because the hair was laid, but I just kind of ran it through the front so it could just be like a little bit, like not too humpy at all. Like I didn't need it at all. And girl, listen, what was the point of you parting your hair if you're going to flip it over? But this is Tasha for you. But that's it. It's a beautiful wig, really pretty. It's a vibe, okay? It's a vibe. So I hope you enjoyed this video, girl. And I will see you in my next one. Bye, girl.